Hey there everyone, Kevin here from Stan's Roofing and Siding. I'm out here in Oak Lawn, Illinois today to show off just an outstanding looking project we were part of. The main house there is a stucco that the homeowner had redone during the project. And it's something we don't do, so she of course hired someone else to do. But in conjunction with that, we went ahead and installed a new roof there. You'll see the ridge vent up there at the top and the beautiful looking chimney flashing there to go tie in with the white Soffit fascia gutters. One thing I really want to show off though is you'll see in the before and afters this great looking addition that was put on this house. It used to be dated brown wood, and now what we did was we installed the James Hardie bevel siding on here. She just wanted something a little bit different than the traditional lap siding, so we went ahead and installed this on there for her. She really liked it. We also built on these overhangs for her on the sides. You'll see in the before picture there just wasn't any overhang, so she went ahead and she wanted those up there, so we could do that for her to give her a little bit more distinction to the house and more practicality of use. You can see how that ties into the roof line there. I'm going to back up here. Hopefully you don't hear any of the traffic. I'm on somewhat of a busy street, but we also did the house or the garage siding too. It used to be red, and the garage roof, of course, and the Soffit fascia gutters there. And I'm kind of just pulling back here to get another perspective from the house. So once again, this is Kevin from Stan's Roofing and Siding. I'm out here in Oak Lawn, Illinois today to show off an awesome looking project we just got done completed for this person. And gotta love it when the flag's waving there in the foreground there also. Please visit our website and see if we can help you out at www.stansroofingandsiding.com.